The Strengthening East Australian Current and Its Eddies by Tanmay Bhakta. The East Australian Current, also known as the EAC, is a strong stream of warm water that spans the eastern coast of Australia. It carries nutrient-poor warmer water down from the Coral Sea in the north to the cooler waters of the Tasman Sea below. And as it does so, it spins off into multiple different whirlpools, also known as eddies. Today, we shall examine the effect that the strengthening EAC and its eddies will have on the marine life of Eastern Australia as well as its climate. The southeastern area of coastal Australia has proven to be a hotspot of ocean temperature warming in the last few decades. Future predictions suggest a strengthening and further southward moving EAC, which could have a profound impact on marine coastal ecosystems in eastern Australia. The southward movement in the EAC could be a help in connecting various different coastal populations of different marine species in eastern Australia. A southward moving EAC has the potential to transport tropical reef fish well outside their usual range to as much as 6 degrees further south in latitude. This has already caused various subtropical fish species to extend their range to as far south as below Tasmania, thanks to the strengthening eddies in the EAC. Increased water temperature in the Tasman Sea has proven to increase growth rates in commercial fish, such as the jackass morwong and the redfish, which were previously not as productive in the naturally cool waters. At the same time, the growth rates of deep water fish in the same areas seem to have plummeted and their ecosystems less productive. And the kelp forests, which were once very common in southeastern coastal Australia, have been replaced by sea urchin barrens due to the increased water temperature that favors the excess spawning of kelp-dependent sea urchin larvae. Hence, the kelp has become diminished. The seasonal variability effects that a strengthening EAC will have on coastal ecosystems in Australia is still largely unknown. More studies on it will have to be done in the future. It is also still unknown whether the EAC strengthening will have an effect on migrating megafauna like sharks and whales. Thanks for watching.